Good morning, everyone. My name's Amanda Jost. I'm the area sales manager for Ohio and West Virginia for NIBCO. We are at the 2024 ASPE convention here in beautiful Columbus, Ohio. We are showcasing our new PressACR fittings for refrigeration piping. We are offering from 1/4 inch all the way up to 1 5/8. All these fittings are made domestically out of our copper manufacturing plant in Stewart's Draft, Virginia. They come with a 15-year warranty and a 700 PSI rating. I'm going to walk you guys through the steps on how to install these fittings. We are going to take a piece of pipe. We're going to make sure it's a nice square cut. We are going to clean it with Scotch-Brite. Next step is to deburr it. So we're going to deburr the ID of the pipe and also the OD. We want to take off that top layer to make sure there's no copper shavings that could possibly compromise the fittings. You're going to go in that same direction about 3 to 4 times. So the ID has been properly cleaned. Let's clean the outside of the pipe. We're going to inspect the pipe, make sure there's no copper shavings. Looks pretty good. All right, we're going to take one of our couplings, our 7/8 PressACR couplings. We are going to twist it onto the pipe, just like that. And then we're going to take one of our tools. We got a 7/8 straw in this tool. Put it around here. Easy, just like that. Easy enough. Instead of brazing it, we're pressing it. It took about 5 seconds, depending on what size you're using. Definitely an easier way to install a refrigeration piping system.